Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirkendra. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm sharing 3 ways to practice a simple but powerful breath called the humming bee. This breathing technique helps calm the mind, release tension, and restore inner balance. You don't need anything, just a comfortable seat and a few minutes to yourself. Let's go ahead and get started. Sitting up nice and tall spine. Relax your shoulders, place your hands on your thighs. We're going to gently inhale for a few seconds, and then we're going to exhale with a humming bee sound. So let's go ahead and practice that. Gently close your eyes, settling in here. Easy breaths in through your nose. Inhale gently. Exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale, hum. Good. Hands over our heart. So gently close your eyes. You feel a different sensation and vibration of our chest. Let's inhale. Exhale, hum. Good. Inhale gently. Exhale. Good. Take a moment to notice how this one felt here. Feeling the warmth of your chest with each inhale and exhale. Go ahead and interlock your fingers. Place them behind your head. Gently slant your head back. Let it rest inside your fingers, inside your hands. Opening up your chest. Let's inhale. Exhale, hum. Good. One more. Good. Release your hands, place them on your thighs. Take a moment and notice how your body is feeling right now. Hopefully a little calmer, your mind a little more clear. Feel free to add this breathing technique to your regular exercise routine. I personally like to do my breathing exercises in the morning to start my day off fresh. Don't forget to check out my latest videos. I also have some links and resources for you in the description below for more practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.